You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to enable Android System WebView. This component is crucial for many apps to display web content. First, open the Google Play Store app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right and select Manage Apps and Device. Tap Manage. Ensure the filter is set to Installed in the search bar at the top. Type Android System WebView. If it appears in the list, tap on it. If it is disabled, you will see an Enable button. Tap Enable. If it is already enabled but malfunctioning, you can try updating it. On the app page, tap Update if an update is available. If you cannot find it, it may be uninstalled. Go back to the search bar and search for it again. If it does not appear in installed apps, search for it in the Play Store's main search and install it. After enabling or updating, restart your phone. If apps still crash, you can try clearing the WebView data. Go to Settings, Apps, find Android System WebView, tap Storage and Cache, and tap Clear Storage and Clear Cache. Then re-enable it. On some phones, WebView is part of the system and cannot be disabled, but you can ensure it's updated via the Play Store. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.